Take on those long-distant destinations with the Cyrusher XF770 electric mountain bike. It is built with a foldable, lightweight aluminum frame that's exceptionally durable and can fit easily inside the back of a vehicle. It sports rear and front suspensions, a 27-speed Shimano derailleur, fenders, and large air-filled tires for on- and off-road tracks. It can run up to 22 miles per hour with its 500 watts rear hub motor. This bike also features a large LCD screen that displays trip distance, battery level, power, and pedal assist level, which you can adjust through its compact controller. Its LG lithium-ion 10Ah battery is integrated into its frame for a seamless look and could run up to 22 miles in one full charge. With its standard zoom brakes, it is provided with the stopping power and control it needs. Its saddle and handles are covered in soft durable rubber for added comfort as well. So be it a long city ride or a trek down rocky roads, you'll be amazed at how far you can go with the Cyrusher XF770 electric mountain bike.
Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Our sales agents are available to talk from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.